In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to trade faster than anybody else inside the trenches. It's going to allow you to have the advantage to make money. I tested this out just before recording this, and I made like 28% 0.2 so in like seconds. And even recently, we've been very profitable inside of the trenches. The reason for this is because there's a lot of volume. It's coming into the New Year's. You might even be watching this in New Year's. And that means everybody's going to be dialed in. There's a lot of competition. You need to be the fastest. So I've now added NovaBot inside of BullX to get an advantage. It's the fastest bot out there, hands down, recorded, right? It's going to give you a crazy advantage. And to set this up, all you're going to need to do, go to the link inside the description and download Nova over here. The settings that you want to have on is you want to have MEV protection on Jitto. Then you want to have MEV protect on Ultra. This is like the fastest way of selling when you want to sell. And obviously the fastest way of buying as well, like decently fast as well. Then your fees, you want to have your fees set up like this. This might change over time as well, but I know a lot of people complain about fees when they're trading high volume. So you only really need to trade this if you are sniping a hyped launch as well, or if you get very, very good and experienced at it. And then I also actually set up auto tip as well, as you can see over here too. Now, if you do go over to your auto buy settings as well, personally, I don't have auto buy settings on, but sometimes, like if you're following signal chats and stuff like that and you just want to just throw the CA in there, have it auto buy, you can do. Personally, I like to sit on my PC and have this set up over here. This is what gives you the main advantage, being able to buy and sell like super fast at a click of a button, and this is called Nova Click. Now to set this up, go inside the link in the description, click Nova Clip. You'll see this Chrome extension over here. It is very safe. It already has 10,000 users as well. I even had a call with the devs. They're super legit. They're actually from the UK, so super cool people. And it's going to add you over to this Nova Click extension. Now you can set over your presets over here depending on your amount. Ideally, your minimum buy should be 100 times whatever your balance is. So if you have, let's say, 100 SOL, you want to be buying 1 SOL per buy. Anything less, that's what you want to have. Believe me, it's much easier to buy with smaller amounts, and you might not make a lot of money every single time, but be able to survive inside the trenches than blasting like half of your balance and then running out of money before you even finished, even got started. Then you're going to go over to UBlock. Now, I got this extension off of YouTube. This was somebody called Ray. He's a very, very good trader. And most people that do Nova tutorials couldn't figure this out. He figured this out, so I want to give him his props. You can see this actually has 32 million users. And this Chrome extension is super important because it's going to stop you from getting blocked off when you actually add this extension. Remember, this is a third-party extension. It's not built in, but you really need it. Like, genuinely, look, 73 Solana over here, making money on these trades. And these things start off with using Nova. In fact, like, I think this one I didn't even use Nova. If I did, I would have been up like 400%. That's how good this fucking thing is. It's crazy, right? Then once you add it, you're going to use this code over here. This code is found in My Filters. So you want to go over here, then you want to scroll down, and then you want to go over to the UBlock origin. You can see, obviously, I've opened it, so it's already open. Head over to My Filters, paste this code. This will also be in the description. And this code, all it does is the purpose of this is specifically to block the visual of the pop-up on top of BullX. After you've done that, then you want to connect your Nova Click to your Telegram account. These things will be separate, so you need to connect it. And how you do that is you go over to this website over here inside of the setups option. In fact, I'll also put this link here. It's called click.tradenova.io. And then just connect your Telegram. Once you connect it, it's going to give you a script. You add it, you refresh this page over here, and then boom, you'll be able to trade and snipe these tokens. Now, there's extra features that you can use, such as like migration snipe. You can also sell like just before the token hits bonding, like you will be the first person. So you know those like crazy candles that you see, these wicks, you will actually be able to trade these wicks with Nova. That's what makes it so good. But after you do that, you can automatically, for example, I put like, 0.2 or 0.3, and then I click buy, boom. Just like that, you have a position and you'll see it inside. Whereas if I do like 0.2 on BullX, you'll see it loads up here and then it has to load. So that slight delay, when you have a token that's going crazy, that slight delay can get rejected. People that have been trading inside the trenches know this. New people, you're going to use this, your mind's going to be fucking blown, okay? So that's a simple tutorial on how you can use Nova Click. Now, if you do want to get a little bit more advanced, these are a few of the more advanced features you can use. One of these features is actually multi-buy. So you can set up multiple wallets. Let's say you have a long-term one where you're stacking Solana on a short-term one, and you can multi-buy tokens as well. Another one, which you can actually use, is the sniper option. This you will find over here. And then you can actually set up and snipe punt fund, migrating tokens and new pools. So this means if a token is just about migrating, that's why we're just about to hit radium, you can snipe it. And if a brand new token comes out, you can snipe it as well. So if you ever see a dev and he's making all these tokens, especially during the Andrew Tate saga, you could literally just put his wallet in there and it will just snipe every single token that it makes. Eventually, one of them will do 1000x. When he had the Andrew Tate saga, he was creating all these Tate terminals. Everybody was trying to figure it out and catch it. People who had these types of tech just put their wallet in, put like 0.1 sol in or whatever, and just left it, walked off, and came back to like 100 sol. That's the levels of games that you can play with this type of tech. Now, if you do want to join a community completely for free of people who are sniping tokens and kind of get your head around the market, all you want to do is join the link inside the description, join the trenches, it's completely for free, and you'll be able to learn how to get gains just like this. You can see today, we've already been making a lot of gains. People literally have been making money from 2-day sniping and trading meme coins. Now I'm completely moving over to buying tokens with this. You've seen people like Orangey make a lot of money on this. You've seen people like Red make a lot of money with Nova, and I'm sold. This thing is very, very, very good. Insta buy over here, you insta sell whenever you want to sell, and it's working for me. I'm already at 73 sol profit, and I barely trench. Like when I dial in, you're gonna see this thing run up to like 7,000. I have full confidence in that. So if you do appreciate this tutorial, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll answer them all below as well. And join the community if you do want to learn more about trading with Nova. One love, peace, blessings.